Olúwa, give us peace, peace in our homes, peace in our nations. ÁLAAFIA better now, healing, unity, love, you bring us all. Peace, peace for everybody. Bitterness now for come to an end. Hatred now for disappear from among us. And deliverance, for we believe that you can set us free from these burdens. We lay down our worries at your feet. You carry our burdens and you bring to us the peace that we need. Hosanna, 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 Hosanna. Oh, 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 yeah. Lord, give us peace everywhere. Hosanna, 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 Hosanna. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We cry, cry, cry now for it. We receive it now. I declare 2026 now a year of deliverance. Now we go shine more than ever and forever, because now God that has spoken it, and I believe and that settles it, and surely now it shall come to pass forever and ever. Hosanna, ay, yo, 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 yo. Hosanna, Hosanna, oh, yeah. Oh, oh, yo, 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 yo. Peace, peace for everybody. Bitterness now for come to an end. Hatred now for disappear from among us. Set us free from these burdens, eh?